What is up guys, always here with another brand new video. Today we're unboxing the Mac Mini. Techtober is just crazy and it's gonna get a lot crazier. After a long 4-year wait, we finally have a new Mac Mini. A simple profile of the Mac Mini on the box, nothing on the sides, but a bold text with the words Mac Mini. I'm excited to open this up. Got my huge knife, don't know where to slice this open. Oh, come on. There you go. Alright, we have the user manual, terms and condition, and no space gray stickers? Huh. Let's take this out, and of course, the power LED. Before we start, let's take this cover off. Wow, I'm not gonna lie, this space gray looks amazing. Though I don't have anything that's space gray at the moment, I've switched to silver. I prefer the silver because this space gray does not match across all devices, whereas the silver does. Anyway, let me know in the comments below, do you think that's the same? Let's have a closer look. So you get an Ethernet port, 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, a HDMI port, headphone jack port, and 2 USB 3.0 port. And in the front, well, there's nothing really, just a LED power light. Just a minimal design by Apple. The general look and feel of this Mac Mini has not changed since the last Mac Mini, only the color has. Nonetheless, it is a beautiful piece of kit, but that's not it. This is a powerhouse. You can configure this to a 3.2 GHz 6-core Intel Core i7, add up to 64 GB of memory, and a massive 2 TB of SSD. It has Intel UHD Thick 30 graphics card and can support up to 3 4K displays. If you max this out, you are paying £3,859, and that's without the keyboard, mouse, trackpad, and of course a display. If you're looking for a mid-working Mac, then this is for you. Edit your 4K videos, play games, or hook it up to your telly to make it a media server. It's an all-rounder. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Is this the Mac for you? I'm out. Peace.
जद टुरदी हाय तू सोनिए लक दे